Airstar International. I'm going to go ahead and take the small muffler off of this Zenoa 300 Max. It's a pretty tight fit, but you can finagle the engine in. It does fit down inside there. I've never really dealt with these smaller mufflers like these, but I have heard these engines run without a muffler and they are definitely extremely loud. There's a lot of roar that comes out of these engines. Let's see, I'm gonna go ahead and take the spark plug out of there. It needs to come out anyway when installing the clutch bell. Looks like a brand new spark plug. Okay. Alright, let's give this a try. Huh, that's kind of weird. Just noticed this. For some reason the pull start is up front and that's not where it's supposed to be, so I'm gonna take that off and orient that the correct way. I don't know if I can do that with that inside there or not. That is weird. That would definitely make starting this thing a lot harder with the pull rope turned to the front. And and I honestly can't remember. It may have been like that already. I believe these just pull straight out. And I don't know, that may be the way the Zenoa 290s are, and hopefully not. We shall see here in 1 minute or so. But this is one of the advantages of gasser RC helicopters, is the fact that you can use a pull start, whereas with nitromethane RC helicopters you have to have a little piece to go onto the glow plug. That seems to work. Okay. And I'm not seeing any Loctite on there. So I'm not going to secure that all the way down. I'm going to get the other 3 screws on. But little details like this really do matter with your RC helicopter. Okay, it's still pulling. I mean, in theory, if the pole rope was still facing forward, in theory you could still start the helicopter, but you would have to do that with the canopy off of the helicopter, and that's just very inconvenient because you're going to waste time with the engine running to put your canopy on. And you really don't want that, you know, because that's burning gasoline that you could be utilizing in the air, you know, enjoying it, flying the helicopter. So not everybody does it, but with my canopies, I take my Dremel and I cut holes, you know, nice smooth holes, and they look good, you know, and you can reach in and pull the starter rope. So again, it seemed to work pretty well when I did it this way before. So I put it in like this, and then I rotated it. Now the pole starts kind of getting hung up there. Swing it back around. It's tight fit, but it does fit. put all of my engine parts down here. I have my baggie with the engine bolts. Let's say probably the easiest way to get this bolted in would be with the helicopter. Laying on its side. Okay, so I'm just kind of debating with these bolts, trying to remember.